Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming you have Manage Channels permission. Without it, you can't edit names. Next, open Discord on desktop or browser because copyable emoji entry is easier there. Choose whether you want a Unicode emoji or a server custom emoji. Custom emoji require the emoji name in the format, emoji name, and the server must have the emoji uploaded. Once ready, navigate to the target channel in the server sidebar and right-click, or tap the settings gear to begin renaming. You now edit the channel name field. Click Edit Channel, place the cursor where you want the emoji, and paste or type it. For Unicode emoji, use your OS emoji picker, Win+, or copy from a source and paste directly. For custom server emoji, type the colon, the exact emoji short name, and the closing colon. Discord will render it if valid. Make sure the name stays within 100 character limits and keeps readability. Once done, save the change to apply it. You finish by saving the new channel name and then reviewing how it looks on desktop and mobile because custom emoji sometimes display differently. If the emoji appears as plain text like emoji name, verify that the emoji exists in the server, that you use the exact name, and that the server supports using that emoji in channel names. If permissions block changes, ask an admin for Manage Channels. Make sure the final name remains concise and readable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.